Joining us now is Loop Capital's Anthony Chukumba. Anthony and others on the street feel differently and are more concerned about the stock's prospects. So tell us what you expect.
Sure, absolutely. So I think that, as you said, I expect Ollie's to be able to comp the comp in 2026. I think that there's too much concern about the tough comparisons that they're going to face. And it really, to me, comes down to four different factors. First off, they are going to continue to benefit from the Big Lots bankruptcy. And a lot of that is going to be access to merchandise. I mean, folks who are supplying Big Lots now have this big hole to fill. The second thing is that the management team, I just really feel like they're much more scientific and data driven compared to their predecessors. The third thing is that the macro environment remains quite challenged. So I do think that they will benefit from a trade down. And the fourth thing is that they are carrying more consumables, which I think drives more consistent store traffic.
Yeah, apparently the food is actually a big kind of business for them. Jeffrey says they're in the danger zone. Why you don't share any of those concerns?
Well, I don't know exactly, what Jeffries wrote in terms of that being in the danger zone, but I'm not terribly concerned. I mean, look, I think all they really have to do is comp the comp. In other words, the more that folks see that this is a company that can consistently grow their comp store sales, and by the way, they just have to be low single digits from my perspective, and then you kind of marry that with continued square footage growth, continued margin expansion, and the stock will work. And, part of the reason I feel very strongly about that is because other comparable companies trade at 30 times earnings.
Right.
And before our upgrade, these guys are trading at more like 24, 25.
Yeah, Tim Seymour just put Walmart on his naughty list, says it's too expensive, and maybe Ollie's would be an example of one that's not. You think the consumer's going to do well next year, or are people getting too hyped up about this?
Certainly in early 2026, we are very optimistic about higher income tax returns. And remember, with this core low-income consumer, if they get a bigger tax return, it's not like they're going to save it, they're going to spend it. And so we definitely see a significant tailwind for Ollie's in early 2026 from those tax refunds.